Basel II यानी बेसल कमेटी on banking supervision. So this is a committee of Bank for International Settlements. Bank for International Settlements, this operates at international level. इसी का ये कमेटी है. इस कमेटी का recommendations, major focus is on strengthening of capital of banks. और कैपिटल के स्ट्रेंथ को देखने के लिए दिस स्ट्रेंथ इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए रेशियो कॉल्ड कैपिटल एडिक्वेसी रेशियो और कैपिटल टू रिस्क एसेट्स रेशियो. बेसल 2 का मेन फोकस कैपिटल प्रोवाइड करना है एंड एट द सेम टाइम टेकिंग इनटू अकाउंट वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ रिस्क. बेसल 2 it is based on 3 pillars. These pillars are: first, minimum capital standards का pillar. Second, supervisory review, and third one is market discipline. पिलर 1 के अनुसार बैंक अपने आप मिनिमम कैपिटल इंश्योर करेगा विद रेफरेंस टू रिस्क वेटेड एसेट्स. पिलर 2 के अनुसार whether bank is maintaining proper capital or not, that aspect will be reviewed from time to time by central supervisor, that is central banking authority of the country. In India it is the Reserve Bank of India. And under pillar 3, the market will also keep an eye on the bank whether bank is maintaining proper capital or not. Market here stands for the role जो बैंक के स्टेक होल्डर्स प्ले करेंगे. बैंक के स्टेक होल्डर्स, दिस मे बी द कस्टमर्स ऑफ द बैंक, मे बी गवर्नमेंट, मे बी शेयर होल्डर्स ऑफ द बैंक, मे बी एम्प्लॉयज ऑफ द बैंक, मे बी जनरल पब्लिक. So they will also keep an eye on the bank concerned whether bank is maintaining proper capital or not. So first pillar relate करता है minimum capital standards को. This minimum capital standards, it is reflected through a ratio called capital adequacy ratio or capital to risk assets ratio. Now this ratio is worked out as capital fund divided by risk weighted assets multiplied by 100. And as per Basel, this ratio should be minimum 8. And when RBI implemented the ratio, then as per RBI in India it should be minimum 9%. Now capital fund या risk weighted assets. What is capital fund and what are risk weighted assets?